Hi there, my name is Hitesh and you are watching Metasploit Extreme on the Kali Linux. So before we jump out into the Metasploit, hacks into some systems and learn about the procedure about the exploitation, I would really like to dedicate this particular video to one particular person. The person that you are actually seeing on the screen is really the person that you would really like to salute after knowing about him. This person, that is HD, is originally, you can say, the lead founder of this entire framework, that is Metasploit. HD is an exploit writer, vulnerability research, and most importantly, he built the open source Metasploit framework. And he was really kind enough to allow us to use a free version of the Metasploit. And this free version was only named as a free, but it is really a powerful version of the Metasploit itself. You can do a lots of variety of stuffs on this Metasploit. Apart from that, his most noted research was included in the MOBB, that was month of browser bug. And in that month, he actually projected various security flaws that were existing on the Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari, Opera, and most of the available browsers that were there at that particular time. So apart from that, he's really a great guy, and you can meet out him in the recent conferences around the world that are happening, like Black Hat or like others. And right now he is working with the Rapid7 company that actually holds the right for the paid version of Metasploit. So finally, a real thanks to this person for allowing us such a great framework, and that's all about this video. So this was a tribute to him for such a great work. I hope you will read out much more about him and would like to say thank to him after watching this video series. Thank you so much, and let's meet out in the new video.